Hello YouTubers and subscribers. This is jwsolarusa. Look what we got here. This is from last night winter storm, snowstorm, sorry. We were approximately they were saying it's gonna be like 8 inches of snow. So I think we finally have like a 4 dump or whatever. This is just a dump from yesterday's collection from one of a spot here, a parking lot. You can see how everything is going. And I made a video yesterday trying to show you guys on my way from work. If you can see from a distance right there, it's a lot of pile of snow, and but the video didn't upload it for some reason. I think there was an error on it, so I apologize for it, but I'm gonna give you a quick look at it. These are approximately 15 foot tall, no, 15 foot high. So take a look. All right, I'll give you another view from I'm trying to take another angle so that you can see how it goes. So I was saying, look at that Christmas tree, you know, pine tree, and that's the one I was videoing first, and there's another one right there, and a third one. It's amazing. See that? Look at this snow. Look at this snow. And we're gonna still have more. We'll have more tonight. Then just took a break. And they were saying we're gonna be having another 4 to 5 more inches, you know. Look at that. See that? It's really high. Really high. Here is another one. So keep counting how many of these dump. This is just crazy. This is just from one night. One night. Look at this. See, live from Minnesota. This is no more Minnesota, it's just a Minnesota, as I can say. Look at this. One night dump. No, that's why I keep on videoing a set of those that you can just count them. Well, I decided just to make a quick video for you guys from Minnesota. This is jwsolarusa signing out. If you like, subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and I wish you all guys Happy New Year. This is just a mess. Look at that. This is just a mess. Wow. Well, I'll just make the video short for you guys. Take care. Have a nice holiday and take care of yourself. God bless.